We are usually in control of what we do, say, and buy. However, we're also influenced by our environment and circumstances, sometimes without realizing it. Priming happens when something in the environment, such as a word, a picture, or some music, triggers us to connect it with something else. For example, being exposed to particular words can make us easily think of related words. Look at this word with a missing letter, S-O-P. What do you think the whole word should be? If you have been thinking about the word eat, you are more likely to say soup. However, if you have recently seen or heard the word wash, then soap is your probable answer. Either the word eat or wash primes you to answer with soup or soap. Priming can also make us act in certain ways, often subconsciously. In an experiment, researchers primed some participants with words related to rudeness. The researchers found these people more likely to show impatience and cut someone else off in the middle of a conversation. They were primed to behave rudely, and they did so. Images prime people's behavior too. One British experiment took place in an office kitchen. Office workers dropped cash into an honesty box to pay for the tea and coffee they took from the kitchen. Although a suggested price list was placed on the wall, the workers could pay whatever they wanted. A picture of flowers was placed above the price list. When the flower picture was changed to an image of human eyes, the staff ended up paying more for their drinks. Because of the eyes, the workers kind of felt like they were being watched. This primed them to put more money in the honesty box. Another experiment shows that music can influence our decisions. In a grocery store, typical French or German music was played every other day for 2 weeks. On French music days, more French wine than German wine was sold. Similarly, consumers bought more German wine when German music was played. When the customers were surveyed, they were not aware that the music had primed their decisions. Marketers and advertisers find research projects like these quite valuable. Retail businesses in particular are always trying to encourage customers to spend money at their stores. Advertisers tend to choose words and images carefully and use those that will prime consumers. Shoppers are rarely aware of the hidden signals in advertisements. Priming is a powerful tool of control and one that is not always easy to spot. Now that you know about the priming effect, you should focus on what you really need and make choices without being primed.